What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And for today's episode, yes, Gabriel Henrique just uploaded Fly Like a Bird, covered by Mariah Carey. And now we are going to react to that video. What are you waiting for? Let's go ahead to the video and let's start reacting. Are you ready? Because I am ready. Let's go. Head tone again. I like the background here. Kind of blurry, right? Wow. By the way, this was requested by Sean. So, Lenise Rosa. I will react to the video that you recommended as well.
Because I feel that unconditional love from one who cares.
Wow. You heard that? Runs in there? Wow. So the head tone here is very, very obvious and very clean. And it's really soft as well. Chest voice and head tone as well. I like that part there. Oh wow. So if you can hear that, it was like a smooth transitions of runs and combined with, you know, this little tweaky. I don't know how many notes is that. Can you count that? Ready? Woof. That's insanely good. Wow. Belt there. Belting. Oh! I think this is not transposed for some reason. This is the original key that I guess Mariah Carey as well sings. So we'll see. What the heck? Ah! Oh! Wait. Look at this. Look at this part. Ah! Wow. Combination with the runs, right? But maintaining into the high pitch. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Wow. Can you count how many runs he did just there? Ready? Ready? Need. Oh my goodness, why is he so good? Is he a beast or something? A beast in singing. Well, I could not tell any, you know, mistakes. Every details of the notes is very perfect and precise. You know, though there are, though we're not really perfect, like people are not perfect, but you know, as he sings and he, you know, try to do his own rendition, like the runs is there. Oh my goodness, you can like, what? You could actually tell that way. Chest voice there. Oh. Wow, there you go. Wow. So that is very projected. And also the opening of the mouth is very, very wide. So he could actually pronounce the word and hit those notes. So this is the beauty of, again, Henry Enrique's talent, because he is not going to do it minimally. When he sings, he really need to do it, nailed it, with matching wide open his mouth, and he really need to belt it if he can. I mean, whenever he needs it, right? Is that him? What the heck is? Oh! Oh my goodness! I just wanna point out in here, this part in here. Oh wow! What do you think about that? I got a goosebumps. Anyway, yeah, another spectacular presentation that he just did. I'm so speechless, and I could not even say anything about this performance. Well, this is very well good, and he really prepares for this. It's kind of like sensitive song because there are lots and tons of notations and kind of like riffs there and bumps in there, but he's actually nailed it, right? What do you think in the comment section? Please consider liking and subscribing this if you haven't already, and let me know what else video that you need me to react to. And yep, have a great one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.